Hi guys, I'm back, kitted out in my Pokemon gear. So it's Ram. Thank you for coming back to my channel and for tuning in for this installment of our Pokemon reveals for Evolution Skies. I think that's what the name is. There are too many to keep track of. Yeah. Okay. So we have, in a very fortunate twist of fate, we have a double whammy of deliveries to open. So these arrived today, and I was pretty much going to give like a couple days for it to be delivered, for me to set up and get things ready. But since it's a bank holiday today, I thought, why not? I mean, it's not going to be uploaded on the bank holiday, but it's probably the best time. Sorry, I just got a message. But it's probably the best time to do this because it's kind of nice and quiet. No plans to go out yet, even though it's 2 p.m, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I pretty much I hope the Evolving Skies are actually in here. One came, and it's weird because both of these packs actually got released on the 27th, if I'm not wrong. So I expected to get it this week. Monday was great because it's an excellent way to start the week. They did kind of come at different times in the day, so I don't know why they didn't just come together. It's weird. But I'm going to unpack these and get ready for the next part of our video. Okay, so I know I said I was going to get ready, but that's a total lie. I pretty much just unboxed them. The twist of fate is really sad. Let me just show you guys. So the little box I actually thought was another parcel, which, don't get me wrong, it was a parcel, like a delivery of sorts, but it's got craft stuffs in there, so I'll let you guys see. So, stuff I got from, I think, The Works, buttons, oh, and some buttons from John Lewis, and poppers underneath for my knitting stuff. So apart from Pokemon stuff and working, I try and find a lot of things to unwind with. So I also do knitting. I knit baby clothes, hence the poppers, because a lot of baby clothes have that, even though it's a nightmare to deal with. I need to find a better way of fastening those. Okay, I think I got a little bit carried away when I ordered the Evolving Skies collection, because it started off with me getting the single booster packets, and I'm going to show you those now. Now, I actually thought, I can't even show you guys, let me try and separate them. Yeah, I actually thought I got the art collection, which is these four. Turns out, like, I think I got confused with the Chilling Reign stuff, so I think I must have thought in the back of my mind that the art collection was 5 packets, but Evolving Skies is actually 4 packets. So I expected to just get like maybe 10. I forgot I ordered 2 bunches, so that's going to be fun to open. So I've got 2 of the full art packs, and all of this is coming from Cosmic Collectibles. Even though I do love this store and they're really good retailer, or at least vendor of Pokemon goods, this isn't really a video endorsing their stuffs because I'm not getting paid for this. So I mean, it's fine and dandy if you guys go and use them because they're a really good store, but it's not a paid video, so like, I'm going to try not to brag about them too much. But Chaos Cards is good. I've used them. But I think in terms of price and the fact that you can actually track your delivery on that shop app, the purple thing, I think it's actually a really good place to shop if you're British, because there aren't that many and it is amazing. Okay, so the second stuff I'll be opening, these blister packets. I mean, I'm such a noob, I don't know what a blister is. I thought it was like the single ones you get that have this kind of hook thing. Oh, I think that's what a blister is. Anyway, I've got a 3-pack of that. What I quite like is, I'm really biased when it comes to the legendary dogs. I do like Suicune. Suicune is probably my favourite, and I like that I get a Suicune coin with that. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with these coins because I never actually use them. I've just got like a nice little collection that's currently sitting in my Pokeball, which is on top of my craft unit over there. I'm not going to show you because I'll be tripping over God knows what to try and do that. So I got 2 of these. One of them has a holo Umbreon, which is great. So, knock wood, I don't jinx myself. But if I don't get an Umbreon in any of these boosters, I at least have a holo one there, which will definitely go in the Master Collection. Now I'm going to try and stop talking because I don't like when they're really long. And I think my last video was like I had to split in 2 parts, and even the 30-minute one took literally like a day to upload, so I don't really want to be doing that again, so I'm just gonna cut it short now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the blister packets. I initially wanted to start with the individual boosters, but I decided to change my mind because, of course, the blisters came with special edition cards, so we're going to start off with those. So first we have this. Oh my goodness, there you go. So we have this Holo Umbreon. I love the way this looks, and I'm happy I've got this. Umbreon, I think, it's not my favourite evolution, but I do love how it looks, period. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, and we've also got an Ice Cube. So I've got a lamp here, so apologies if it kind of, there's a lot of glare. You might need to look on the other side of the camera. Okay, so this one, I don't necessarily need it as a holo for my master collection, so it'll probably go on sale. And let's get on with it because I'm running out of space. Okay. If all else fails, I might need to record this on my iPad. Okay, go. And I think there's another one here. There we are. Just going to take out this little card. Trick 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll see if that trick is actually correct. Okay. Oh, Braviary, this one looks nice. Look at it already. Oh my goodness. Apologies for the nails. I'm very bad at maintaining these things. Oh, what's this? Normal Bagon? That Leo's cute. And we have a reverse holo, what is that one? Gigaliath or something. Okay, so I'm going to pop that in a sleeve. And we have, ooh, a cool looking jumper. Sweet. Okay, so let me just bag this up in a clear sleeve. Minimal contacts. La, 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 la. I'm sorry if it seems like I'm rushing. I know I'm definitely going to have to switch cameras at some point, but until that time, I'm just gonna use this. Ooh, this one came out really easy. Nice. Okay. Got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started. I can't quite see these names. You guys can see it clearer than me. I don't know all of them. That Hoppip looks pretty cool. I don't know when that nail polish came off. Hitmon channel also good. Fletchling. And we have a Tentacle. Reverse holo. Very nice. And I don't even know what that is. Oh, Gorgeist. Okay, there we go. Okay, so while I'm pocketing this, I swear there was a trick. So if you got this card in your booster, well, actually this is actually from the blister pack, so maybe it's different in some way or other. Tentacle will probably go on sale as well. But anyway, with that card I showed you just a moment ago, it was a hack, but I don't necessarily know if it's true or not, but it seemed to be true when I first found out, and for other reveals I did. But that basically guaranteed 2 holos, and I've consecutively rather, there we go, yeah, the same one, I've consecutively gotten 1 holo only, so I don't know if that hack is even a hack anymore, like if it's even legit. I guess too many people are catching on, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last packet of the first blister pack. That one's cool. I like how that looks. Oh my goodness. Sticky, sticky. Okay, yes, that's Zoroark. That's a cute Zoroark. Oh my goodness. Okay, reverse holo, Shiftry. And what comes next? Minimal contact. Woohoo! Pretty cool looking Gyarados. Gyarados looking pretty badass there. I like that one. Okay, let's get him ready. So Gyarados safely in his pack, or his sleeve rather, and then Shiftry. Enjoy my Pokecat. Shiftry. There we go. That's solid looking. Okay. Oh gosh, I might have time for just one more. Actually, I'm gonna cut it here and change cameras.